Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. My name is Sonia if this is your first time visiting my channel. Today I will be sharing my family's chicken noodle soup recipe. I am making a broth with I already washed 3 chicken legs. I am using my smaller pot. I'm not using the biggest pot I have just because I don't have that much meat there. So this is totally made from scratch. I do the same process for a turkey soup as well as beef soup or a mixed soup. Then I have dehydrated vegetable seasoning, some salt, some black pepper flakes, peppercorns I mean, some curly parsley and Italian parsley, which is like flat leaf parsley. And then I have celery root, parsley root, not parsnip, but parsley root, carrots, celery, and 2 potatoes, and there's an onion in there. So the first step is to wash your meat, obviously, put it in and fill up the pot with cold water. So now that it's filled up almost to the top, because I want to leave some room for the vegetables, I am going to add some peppercorns, a little bit of salt, not too much because the vegetable seasoning is salty as well, and then some vegetable seasoning. And this you might have to adjust to taste once the soup is nearly done. And I'm going to turn it on. And cover it. And bring it to a boil. Once it boils, that's when I put my vegetables and my herbs in. So now that it's boiling, I'm going to add all my veggies. I'm going to let it come to a full rolling boil, and then I'm going to turn it down to a simmer and simmer it for several hours, about 3 hours at least. So the broth is done, and I'm just going to turn it off, and I'm going to strain it, not all of it, just some of it at this time, because we're actually going to have this right now. So I'm going to strain it into a separate pot and bring it to boil, and then I'm gonna add my noodles. So I have added, I'm actually not using actual noodles. I am using these shapes. I buy these at a local Italian store. And then, but you can use noodles. And then I had taken out the potato and the carrot and celery and meat, and I had shredded the meat, put it into who wants what, just my daughter and I right now. And then I'm going to, once the noodles are cooked, this shouldn't be boiling this hard, I want to turn it down so it's just a gentle roll. And then once it's done, I'm going to add it to bowls. So here it is, all finished, and it tastes delicious. I want to thank you all for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're brand new to my channel, would love for you to subscribe, And until next time, I hope you guys have a wonderful day.